welcome back. Thank you so much for being here and hanging out with me for a few minutes. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I am excited. We have a new box I am ready to review for you guys, and that is the February 2019 LenyBox. So LenyBox is $19.99 a month, and I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. So let's dive in here and see. I believe you're supposed to get 4 to 5 full-size products. So we're gonna jump in and take a look and see exactly what this box is all about. So this is what we see on the inside. The presentation is very nice. That's a really big sticker. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Well, it's certainly packed. All right, so we do have a card here. Looks like it tells us about the item, so I'm just gonna put this to the side for now. And then this is what we see when we open the box. So it's definitely packed, that's for sure. So I am just going to grab the card and then grab this first thing I see here, which looks like a set of brushes. This says 4-piece professional brush set. Retail price is $10. It does not say anything about who, like a brand or anything. So I'm gonna put this in a giveaway because I have quite a few of these brushes. These look like maybe some eye brushes. So that is definitely something I think that everyone loves, and I have a ton of, which, I mean, I still would love, you know, I mean, send me all the brushes you want to. But just sharing the love here. So I'm gonna put this aside for a giveaway. So we're gonna move right along. I don't want to touch them or anything with my fingers. So let's see here. The next thing I see is, this is from Fusion Beauty Lip Fusion Infatuation. Let's see, revolutionary amplifat technology to pump up the volume for a Paramount Pout. A one-of-a-kind texture blends high shine radiance with liquid lip stain and is deposited with a perfectly tapered lip brush for precise application. Retail price $29. And it looks like the color is in the flesh. So let's take a look. So this is what it looks like. Oh, and it seems to actually, it does. It has like an actual like a brush, not like a doe foot applicator. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I'm gonna put this in a giveaway as well. I typically don't use plumper things just because I feel like my lips right now at this point, my lips really don't need it. So, yeah, but I think this, you know, if the product does what it says it does, I think that is fantastic and it would be amazing. So I'm going to pass this along to one of you guys. And I like that it's definitely a neutral color that, you know, really should work with just about any skin tone. So then we have from Juicy Couture. This is the Juicy Couture Solid Perfume. It's a distinctive mixture of delectable fruits and other natural and woodsy aromas, rounded out perfectly. The retail price is $20. So this is what it looks like. Oh, okay. So there's like, I guess, a lid, but it wasn't on it. Okay, so this is literally solid okay. So you can twist this up like that. Smells pretty good. Okay. So this would be nice. You could just kind of, you know, freshen yourself up when you needed to on the go, throw it, you know, keep it in your purse. That's really awesome. So let's see. What are you? Elizabeth Arden. Excuse me. Elizabeth Arden Color Intrigue Eyeshadow. A lightweight eye color that glides on for a radiant, natural look. Vitamin enriched, long wearing, and color true. Clinically and dermatologist tested. Retail price is $18.50. So let's get it out of this bubble wrap. Oh, it's like wrapped up so well. Oh my gosh. Like, I think I may have to, sorry, I bumped the camera, like take my box cutter to try and get into this. Let's see. Okay. That was definitely, and it's sealed. Okay. Looks like the name of the color is Urban. Just use that again. Okay. I feel like SpongeBob. 20 minutes later. Okay. So here's the product. Let's see. I have actually never used any eyeshadows from Elizabeth Arden. So here's the actual packaging. It's very nice. What is and it is a darker shade. It actually it has a little piece of plastic over it. So that is very nice. I do see a little bit of sparkle in there. So nice. I'm going to put this aside for a giveaway as well. I don't typically reach for single shadows that often. I do think this is a really pretty color and could be used for a lot of different looks. So this will be set aside for one of you guys in a future giveaway. And then what do we have here? This is from Too Faced. Love Flush, long wear fade proof, smudge proof blush that will keep cheeks perfectly flush for up to 16 hours. Pigment rich shade gives the ultimate pop of pretty color. The retail is $26. So here's how it came. Generally, I believe these items come in boxes, but I don't know. Let's open her up and take a look. Okay. I'm reading the back here. And it is the Love Flush. It says, Justify My Love is the name of the color. There is something on the front of the package here. And it's like sticky and hard. I'm not sure what that is. But also, I mean, I don't know if this is when it was made or not, but I am seeing the year 2015 down here. So I'm questioning this product. I mean, it is a very pretty color. I'm trying not to blind. Let me do it this way so I don't blind you with the mirror. It is a very pretty color. It's got some shimmer. Okay. I'm questioning this product because generally Too Faced products, most of them, not all, have a really yummy smell. This almost smells like paint. So I don't know. I'm not sure about this one. And then, like I said, the date of the 2015 on the back. And the fact that it's not in a box. I don't know. I'm going to check into this. I'm not sure about this. I don't know how I feel about this item. So, let me see. I'm just looking now for dates, because now this has me just a little we're gonna move on. But I'm gonna look into the blush just because this box was sent to me for review, and I, do thoroughly appreciate that, but I am going to give you guys my honest opinion, and the blush does have me, some question marks popping up, so definitely will be taking a look at that. But we're going to move on to our last product. This is the L'Oreal Gold Caviar Anti-Aging Expert Age Response Wrinkle Remover. This proprietary complex gently works beneath the skin's surface day by day, helping to relax targeted facial areas. Retail price is $299. You're kidding me. Made in France, it's cruelty-free. Eventually smoothing lines and wrinkles. With continued use, wrinkles and lines will be smoothed and filled. It says how to use: massage onto affected area after daily evening cleansing and toning. $300? Are you kidding me right now? All right, so this is what it looks like. It's like a big syringe. Caviar Anti-Aging Expert Age Response Wrinkle Remover. But you can see here, it does look like, it looks like a syringe. Open, close. Oh, okay. The lid comes off here. Okay. $300? $300. I mean, I know there's expensive skincare, but in a box that costs $19.99? That's crazy. Okay. Wow. My mind is like, poof. Okay. So that was the February 2019 LenyBox. I mean, I think the products seem amazing. You know, it is a great variety. If that value is correct on the $300, really? Like I said, I am going to check into this. This is the only item that I'm kind of like, about in the box. But I will definitely check into it and let you guys know. I'll probably just, once I post the video, pin like a comment or something letting you know about that blush. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am just kind of like taken aback right now by a $300 product in a box. So I hope you enjoyed, and like I said, if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and as always, please leave a comment. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.